For those who love high-quality music and are tired of mediocre sound systems, welcome to my review of the Audiolab 7000CDT. But before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Have you ever invested in a state-of-the-art audio system only to be disappointed by its performance? But here's what surprised me about this product. That's right, I'm talking about the Audiolab 7000CDT, a CD player that has been getting rave reviews from audiophiles and music enthusiasts alike. Therefore, it's no surprise that it's one of the top-selling products in its category on Amazon. The Audiolab 7000CDT is a CD player that promises to deliver unparalleled sound quality with its advanced digital-to-analog converter DAC and low jitter clock technology. But what really sets it apart from other players in this price range is its unique ability to play not only CDs but also SACDs and DVD audio discs. However, I was surprised to learn that despite its impressive feature set, the Audiolab 7000CDT has received some mixed reviews from customers who claim that it's overpriced for what it offers. Therefore, in this review, we'll take a closer look at the product's features and see if they're worth the investment. So let's dive deeper into the details of the Audiolab 7000CDT and see what makes it tick. The first thing you'll notice about the Audiolab 7000CDT is its sleek and modern design. It's a compact player that fits easily on any home audio system, and its metal construction gives it a premium feel. But don't let its appearance fool you. This player is built to last, with a robust chassis that can withstand even the most rigorous use. One of the standout features of the Audiolab 7000CDT is its advanced digital-to-analog converter, DAC, which uses a proprietary technology called Wolfson WM8741 to convert digital signals into analog sound. This results in a rich, detailed sound that's free from distortion and noise. Therefore, music enthusiasts who value high-quality sound will love the Audiolab 7000CDT. But what about those who prefer vinyl or streaming services? Does this player have anything to offer them? Therefore, I was pleased to learn that the Audiolab 7000CDT also features a built-in phono stage, which allows users to connect their turntables and enjoy the warm, rich sound of vinyl. Additionally, it has a range of digital inputs, including optical and coaxial, making it easy to connect with devices like smartphones or tablets. So, is this player worth the investment for audiophiles who value high-quality sound? Let's take a closer look at its specifications. The Audiolab 7000CDT features a range of advanced technologies that make it stand out from other players in its category. These include Wolfson WM8741 DAC, low jitter clock technology, built-in phono state, range of digital inputs, optical coaxial, SACD and DVD audio playback. But what about the price? Is this player overpriced for what it offers? Therefore, I was surprised to learn that the Audiolab 7000CDT is actually priced quite competitively, especially considering its advanced feature set. Therefore, if you're in the market for a high-quality CD player, this one is definitely worth checking out. So, how does the Audiolab 7000CDT compare to other players on the market? Let's take a closer look. In my opinion, the Audiolab 7000CDT is one of the top contenders in its category. Its advanced feature set and high-quality sound make it a great choice for music enthusiasts who value detail and precision. But don't just take my word for it, let's hear from some of the customers who have purchased this product. The Audiolab 7000CDT has received rave reviews from customers, with many praising its high-quality sound and advanced feature set. However, there are also some negative reviews that mention issues with pricing and customer support. Therefore, if you're considering purchasing the Audiolab 7000CDT, I would recommend doing your research and reading multiple reviews to get a well-rounded view of the product's strengths and weaknesses. In conclusion, the Audiolab 7000CDT is a high-quality CD player that offers unparalleled sound quality and advanced features. While it may be overpriced for some customers, its value lies in its ability to deliver detailed and precise sound, making it a great choice for music enthusiasts who value high-quality audio. For those interested in purchasing this product, I recommend checking out the current price on Amazon, which can be found by clicking the link in the description below.